Hey everyone. So this video was long awaited and I thought to record us 2 3 days ago, but was not able to. And now I'm on Activa going out somewhere. And I just idea struck that let's use this 15 minutes to record the video and to share the updates. So here we go. And please don't worry, I'm focusing on good and for the safety things. And I'm not on the heavy traffic zone, so that will be it. Cool. So I think last video where I was again like trying to find the way and still I'm not able to find. I think I also was thinking to go back to job, so I went for a moment, but things didn't work out. So I'm back. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm back trying again to have some venture or start some new startup. So currently I'm working on some new tech startup that's related to AI and deep learning where there is a lot of learnings. And of course, big challenges, which is keeps me going, so such as very why I have signed up for that. And that is going very well. I am not sure how the output will come, but I think that's what the beauty is. It's all about the journey. Enjoy your journey, however it is. And it's been 2 years, more than 2 years now. And the main point here, once it's been 2 years, you are out, all the money and things are still probably, but the job is not a thing. I'm still trying my hard to build away job as far as possible, but I don't deny the fact as well. If in case whatever I'm planning, experimenting, or whatever I'm doing, if those things are not working well, job, yes, here I am, but push it back as far as and as long as I can, and as long as the other things are sorted. Because yes, like I'm not alone. I have like family to support, like kids, and also I can't, I can't risk everyone comfort. I would say I can't risk everyone comfort for my achievement. So I got some very thin ray of light, and I want to give it a try again. So I'm trying again. Course of the new problem statement, new company, new roles, but same challenges, and maybe new. But I'm enjoying it. One, some of the past experience, I would say, and the new things like Fable. I think Fable came and went away. Last video I have told, and I have shared my experience on Claude and other tools that don't be occupied or don't be dependent on only one model. Always try new models and try those models, how that is working, so that you are not dependent on any one thing. That is very much important because although nowadays without AI, it was not survive, but you also need to make sure that as more productive, as more uh, speed, like as what speed and productivity it will give. You also need to make sure that once you face that speed and productivity, there's no going back. Like you can't now go back and write a line of code or even find or bug on your like fix a bug on your own. That is a past thing now. So you have to have proper control, proper ways, different tools at your hand so that you can work on that. You can keep your work going. So keep that thing in mind and don't be dependent on what experimented. One of the past challenge I would like to share. So many people are afraid of AI, and I think I have shared a little bit of that on my last video. But one new insights I would like to share, uh, which I have lived last couple of week or months. One thing is that Of course, AI is now able to do a lot of things which we were not able to do earlier. So it is not that it will take away all the jobs, but what I am doing right now, or what I am experimenting with AI, is I'm trying to move on to the higher challenge, to the bigger challenge. Which, in case if AI was not there, I would have not tried it. But now, because AI is there, and I have tested it, and I think you all have tested it, how it is working, how the models are behaving, and all the things like testing, using different tools, different IDs, and all those things. One thing is very sure that AI is the way to go forward. Like that is the new norm to work on all our tools. But what I have done is I have upgraded my game. I would say I'm trying to challenge something which, of course, if AI was not there, I would have not challenged. But because AI is there, I know with help of AI and with whatever experience and knowledge I have, I will be able to crack this new problem. What we all are trying to solve it. So it will just increase your game. You are solving much bigger problems now, which will help you to learn more, experiment more, and like that's what my way always to just do the things, and you will have power. You will know, understand yourself better. So that is what even I am doing, and I would request every one of you to try the same. Don't think that, for example, I think I have shared one of my friend's story who was earlier working as a front end like since 10 years now, and couple of months back he was laid off, and he was in much bad state, or I would say bad state of thinking. He was thinking that things are out and he can't work out on this more. But I have also suggested him the same, and I have lived the same thing since last 2 months, where I'm trying to solve a new problem which is completely new. And unless this AI or these things were not there, I would have not tried it. So I would say just increase, change your game. If you're a software developer, try to be a DevOps. If you're a DevOps, try to find UI, UX, designing, everything you can do. Since last lot of days, I have done UX, UI designing like I was doing earlier as well, but now it's much easier. It's just few prompts and things are easy and quick enough and better. That's the beauty of that. It's much better than how earlier you would have got it done from someone or you have done on your own. Of course, that's a big win there. But just change your game, increase your game, play, go 2 steps away, 2 steps ahead from your current level, and just give it a try. You just need to learn how to talk to AI, how to get the work done. That is still a challenge. And in my current new project or company, what I'm talking about, we have 3 new joinees, and I see how they are struggling, and I always keep them on the line. But yes, because they don't have much experience, or say AI is not for them as of now, but yes, they need to learn it. And one small thing, or one, I would say, metaphor, what I was trying to give to one of our person, one of my employee was like he was having a hard time to understand how to use it, which one to use, which model to use. So if you're using, let's say, if I give example about the cloud, we have cloud, that we have 3 models: Haiku, Sonnet, Opus, or Fable, gone and came. So we'll not talk about that. So one particular metaphor, what I was sharing with my team to just understand how to use which model. And I'm particularly talking about the cloud one. So in cloud, we have 3. So what I said to them, and I'm not sure if that will work, but I'm just sharing my thoughts, helps you to identify, to choose which model to use back. So there are 3 models, and they're already they are already listed in terms of their thinking model and their power. We'll start from below. So first is Haiku. I said if you want when to choose Haiku. So if there is a small task and you're sure what task it is, there's no thinking involved, and you just have to tell him blindly to follow the instructions. That's where you use the Haiku model. Next is the Sonnet. Sonnet we have to use. It is like Haiku is like a very small baby where you give fixed task and that it can do. Sonnet is basically a quite known adult who can do a little bit of thinking, but it can go wrong. And if you want to do, if you are sure what you want to do, you have full instruction, but you're aware what, which files, what exact instructions you need to do. Then you use the Sonnet model. You give Sonnet the task that will be able to do that. And if there is any basic issues or something, that it will be able to think and fix it. Now, in this, you have little bit of thinking model, but if you're not sure, or if you're needing a lot of thinking, you're not sure what particular feature you want to build, or you have no idea how that feature will go ahead, that is where you use the Opus model for now. Opus will do the thinking. Of course, hire the model, hire the token, and you will use up your token faster. But depending on what type of task you need to get it done from the model is how you choose your mode. So this was one small story I would say I have shared with my team so that whenever they want to do any work or they're using any of our models to get the work done, they should know which one to invoke and let me know if this particular small referral helps you to identify or there's any knowledge to it. And I'll keep you posted on my next parts and next things, however it goes. That's all. And I know this was something new. I enjoyed it. I'm not sure if you will be repeating it again, but I want to record this video anyhow, so I'm happy that I have done it. Next time, have a great time. How I'm setting a problem. So, bye bye.